Welcome to Delcy. If you are new to the channel, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon in order to get every valuable video that we post. If you have done all, let us get started. The most valuable video of today. Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. I'm Deq and you're watching Delcy channel. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can create a yo.fan site. So to create a yo.fan site, you need to have a technique for it. So and in this video, I'm gonna share with you most of the techniques that I use for yo.fan site. So within this video, you will be able to get AdSense approval within a minute. So to get AdSense approval within a minute, you need to learn this course. And this is a free course. There is no any single money that you will be taking. Any single money that you will be charged. So in order only you need to watch the full video and don't skip any part of this video in order to get AdSense approval within a minute. Let us get started. So at the first time you need to create a yo.fan site. Then the next thing you need to create, you need to get AdSense approval for your yo.fan site. So to create a yo.fan site, let us click one of our browser. Then let us write here yo.fan. So when you write here yo.fan or the link of yo.fan, I will put it in the description of this video. Under the description of this video I will put it. So no matter, let us get started everything. So when you click the link of yo.fan site, then it will redirect you to here. The only thing that you need to do is to click get started. Everything I will show you step by step, and I hope that the screen of my smartphone is clear and everything is shown. So when you click get started, I don't want this video to be a long, because most of the people get bored for a long video, so I don't want it that. So the next thing that you want to do is sign up with Google. After clicking sign up with Google, so I'll show you everything step by step. Let this video be a short one. So it's redirecting us. So guys, when you click sign up with Google, it will redirect you here. So what you want to do is to select one of your accounts. So right now I'm going to select one of my accounts. In this case, I will select an account which is one of my accounts I will select. So then I have selected one of my accounts, as you see. So let us get started. Everything is clear. I hope that from today you will be able to create a yo.fan site, and within a minute, if you get bored how to get AdSense approval, this is your course. Please don't skip any part of this video. And if this is your first time that you have visited our site and also our channel, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon in order to get every valuable thing that we post daily. So here you are said choose a profile name. So to select a profile name, we say any name. That you can select any name, but in this case I'm going to select the name of my channel, Deq. As you see, this one I have selected this one. So no matter, and let us click next. I hope that everything is clear and the dashboard of my site is clear. So as you see, we have said please verify your number. Right now let me show you one thing. This is the dashboard of our yo.fan profile. So to continue everything and to make everything clear, you need to select verify phone number. Let us verify our phone number. So here you see that we have a lot of things that we haven't still verified. So this one, phone number, still it hasn't been verified. Profile status, and also only email address was verified. So the others wasn't verified yet. So what we can do right now is to verify our phone number. So to verify our phone number, let us click start verification. start verification. So once you select start verification, then you will select the previous you select the Gmail or the email address that you're using this phone site that you have created right now. So right now in my case, I select my previous email address that I created this phone profile. So let me select that one. So I know, and even you know the email address that you used to create this phone profile. So select that one. Once you select that one, it will redirect you here. Then you see here, in my case I stay in Somalia. Then you can select the address or you can select the pin or the code of your country, and you can select the number of your country. So in my case I'm going to select 252. So then the number of my country I'm going to select. When I select everything, I will say add, right? I know that everything is clear, so I will say add. Let me see. So once you enter the number of your country, then you click add. As you see, I'm going to select add. Everything is clear, and the dashboard of my smartphone is clear. So once you click add, you will be sent a code to your number. So then click and enter the number, the code that has been sent to your number. So enter here. So let me enter the code that I was sent. So guys, in my case I selected the code. The code was sent. So and I have entered the code. So let me submit. Let me click submit. Yeah, I was working. No matter. So as you see here, we have verified our phone number and our email address was verified. So here you are needed to verify your what is called to verify here. This one is the bosses, to verify the bosses, and also to verify 10,000 views. I will show you everything step by step, how to verify these bosses and how to verify these 10,000 views, how to get a free 10,000 views for your phone site instantly. I will show you everything, and this is a free course. If this is your first time that you have visited our channel, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon for appreciation. So let me make my phone profile provisional. So in order to make your phone profile provisional, select this one here. Then you select this one here, select this one, and then select what's called edit my profile. I'm going to make this video very long, very short. Very short. Then select here. So as you see, I have selected that one, and then here it is processing. So let us see, everything is clear. When you select it like that, everything is clear right now. It has been processed. So let us select tick. So the next thing, let us select here, click. Then let us upload a video what's called photo. So I'm going to select, in my case, this photo, and everything is clear. So now you made your phone profile professional. So then in order to update everything, click tick. So here I'm going to conclude my video, and I'm not going to make it long. So if this is your first time to visit our site, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon once again.